Hello Year 11 and welcome to Lesson 5 of the Marakoto Book A2 series. In today's session you are going to learn how to express what your hobby is. In the past, you've learned how to express what your hobby is by saying my hobby is tennis, my hobby is music, my hobby is Facebook. However, you haven't been able to actually incorporate a verb into your hobby. For example, some of you might like watching rugby, but you might not like playing rugby. Up until now, we haven't been able to differentiate between the two. Well, today, you will be able to. It's a bit of a step up, though, in terms of our learning, because we're going to be learning a new form of the verb. We're going to be learning the dictionary form, or also known as the plain form or the casual form. We must know this in order to express what our hobbies are with verbs. Let's have a look at this first sentence here.
趣味はクラシックを聴くことです。
So our hobby is listening to music. Our hobby is listening to classical music, I should say. Just remember this kiku koto desu. Kiku is the plain form of kikimasu, to listen. How we form the sentence: we have the hobby, and that is the topic. Then we have the dictionary form or the plain form followed by koto desu. To form the plain form of the verb, we have this chart here, similar to the te form, how we have the different groups, ichidan or group 1, godan, and this Marakoto uses group 2, and the exceptions. If we have a verb ending in imas, for example here, we have that there, we take off the mas, or take off imas and add u. So take off imas and we're left with ka, and then adding u, ka. And these are all the rules for all of the other hiragana for those in group 1. With group 2, take off the mas and add ru. Take off the mas, so you're left with, in this case, to eat, tabe, and then ru. And some exceptions that you need to be wary of. Let's have a look at this example down here. So if your hobby is collecting coins from foreign countries,
趣味は外国のコインを集めることです。
so your hobby is collecting. So collecting, remember you have the verb in the plain form followed by koto. And what are you collecting? You're collecting coins. What kind of coins? Foreign coins. We haven't done this kanji yet, so just look at the romaji here. Foreign coins. Your hobby is collecting foreign coins. So as noted here, koto attaches itself to when attached to the dictionary form of a verb, and transforms it into a nominal form. Or in English, you might like to think of it in simply speaking, the ing, like collect, atsumeru, collecting, atsumeru koto. Kiku, to listen, listening to music, kiku koto. That brings us to the end to lesson 5.